Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 26th, and this is my recap of the top 10 videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily live streams for members only on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So we had a pretty nice little push down today on the euro dollar. I did end up sorting this. Me and the people in my group definitely did. It wasn't quite at a Fibonacci level. If you actually move your Fibonacci retracement up and get rid of that spike, then it actually is a perfect Fibonacci retracement. But that spike is where price went, so technically you should include that spike right there. Either way, though, I mean, it totally looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, possible wave A. Looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down, wave B. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up for wave C. A little bit short from the 78% fib, but nice and positive and go if we move to the downside. Exactly what I look for entries for the continuation of a trend. Now, the trend is definitely down on all the higher time frames until we break this structure up here, so I'm leaning towards shorts. If this right here really is the end of a correction, then this should continue the downtrend over the next day or so. It is a holiday week this week, a very large holiday week this week for the US, so I wouldn't be surprised if the dollar pairs were a little bit rangy, especially starting probably tomorrow afternoon, because Thanksgiving is Thursday and Friday is a holiday for most people also. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.